AutoSAR. AutoSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Basic principles. Port interfaces. Now we want to take a closer look at the ports and port interfaces. As an example, we take the software component brake pedal sensor. Its task is to tell the brake controller how far the brake pedal is pushed. It gets this information from the ECU brake pedal sensor, via this port. This port is a port interface, which has an operation get brake pedal position. This operation provides a value between 0 and 255, which corresponds to a voltage of 0 to 5 volt, if we assume the brake pedal position is communicated via a voltage. 0 volt means the driver is not braking, while 5 volt means the brake pedal is fully pushed down. The brake pedal sensor does its calculation and gives the output data to the brake controller, via this port. This one also has a port interface, which defines the data brake pedal position. The output data is a value between 0 and 100, which corresponds to a percentage of 0 to 100. Now the brake controller knows how strong the system is supposed to brake. If you want to learn more about AutoSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.